Hello students, today we will do future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going on in the future or is certain to happen in the future. Or you can say an action which will begin in the future and will still go on until some other action occurs. Let's understand through timeline. It's a timeline, past, future, and the circle is showing present time. Now the action playing will start in future and will continue for some time, and then there will be another action. See the structure: subject plus will be or shall be plus first form of the verb, base form of the verb plus ing plus object. Let's understand through one example. I will be playing football when you arrive. So the action of playing will be continue in future till another action of arriving occurs. So in timeline you can see the action of playing is continuous till another action occurs. Here we predict about future. How to form negative and interrogative sentences. Negative sentences: subject plus will not plus be plus base verb. Base verb means first form of the verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus full stop. And how to form interrogative sentences. First of all, helping verb, that is will or shall, will come, plus subject plus be plus base verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. Remember, in your book there is will and shall has been used. With I and we use shall, and with he, she, it we use will. But nowadays we can use only will with every subject, whatever it is. It is he, she, it, or I, we can use will. But according to book, you will use shall with I and we. See the examples. He will be walking. He will be walking to school next Monday morning. Here the time has been mentioned. Next Monday morning, he will be walking to school. Next Monday morning, this action of walking, will be going on. Now, how to form future continuous tense of interrogative sentences? Will you be driving? Will you be driving to Selina's house when mom comes home? Here, when mom comes home in future, will you be driving to Selina? Action of driving will be going on. For negative, you will not be driving. You will not be driving to Selina's house when mom comes home. For negative sentences, we use not after helping verb will or shall. So, future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going on, that will be in continuous position in the future or is certain to happen in the future. Here we predict about any action that we think will be going on in future. Suppose you have purchased a ticket or booked a ticket for any hill station and the timing is 4 p.m. in the evening. So you will see that I shall be sitting in the train at 4:30 p.m. in the evening.